Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an Ex91 error and you're wondering why am I getting this error and is there anything that I can do to fix it. So first of all, why are you getting this error? So the Ex91 is basically you have this control interface and then you have the electronic control board which communicates with the dryer and tells the dryer everything what to do. And so this error means that this user interface is unable to communicate with the electronic control board. So this could be because you have a problem with your user interface, because you have a problem with your electronic control board, or because you have a problem with the wiring between the two. So sort of the hierarchy of trying to fix this is to first check the wiring between the two and replace and repair anything damaged, disconnected, loose, frayed, etc. After that, the next thing to do would be to actually replace this user interface. If all the wiring is good, replace the user interface as the error might be coming from there. And then finally, if that doesn't fix it, you could go ahead and replace the electronic control board. And if you decide to go that route, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the control board in your dryer.